We are one. No matter the difference in our religion, we are one. I've always said it. I'm a Christian. I'm a Catholic. If you go to Dubai, the Catholic church in Dubai was built by Emir of Dubai. You go and see it in the war. He donated the land and built it. He's a Christian, but he built the church. The same thing is what you see all over. Today, Christians don't buy bread cheaper. Muslims don't buy bread cheaper. So no religion buys bread cheaper. No religion buys rice cheaper. No religion buys food cheaper. When you didn't have water, it affected everybody. And that is why we're saying it must change.
Yes.
That is why I've been going around visiting. I was in Lafayette yesterday, Miami, here, and I'll go on to other areas doing the same thing, preaching. Let's have peace, let's love each other, let's care for each other. Let us work and ensure that the poor people in us become something. We want a society where a child of nobody will be somebody. That's what we want. And that's what we're coming. Thank you for the opportunity of being here. And that is why we're supporting whatever we are doing. Fortunately, we won't join you for breaking of the fast. But we thank you for the honor of fighting us. We brought food and other items. We thank you and we assure you, community leader, we're not just passing. If we have opportunity, we'll come back. When we are coming here, we saw the Zuma Rock. I told them, I said, how can we have this? And it's not a tourist center. All this place would have been a tourist center. There are things we can do in this country in order to make the country work. Thank you for having us here. Thank you. May Almighty Allah continue to bless you always. Suleja, Niger State, for the same purpose, at this period of Ramadan fasting, going around interacting with the people to personally feel their pulse, know and discuss their needs. Because of that, we're providing in the mosque the food for breaking up the fast, and we're also trying to do the borehole, which what you said has not been available for the past 30 years. It is important. And that is what I was complaining. We cannot have a situation where people are taking for basic things like water. And for 30 years, they've not been able to get that. That's why we're here. To continue to tell them that remain prayerful for our country, Nigeria. We have no other country. And that we will all join together, irrespective of where we are from, irrespective of our religion, in peace, to build a country where government will care strictly for the poor and provide the amenities, basic amenities that will make society thrive.